So with the continuation of the previous video, we have seen about carcass grading and dressing. So in this we will continue about the poultry dressing. So poultry dressing is nothing but as like carcass animal also, we have to go in for grading and dressing of the particular poultry also. Because these poultry dressing also will contribute to the major part for the export marketable quality practices also. So the first one, as we saw in the carcass also, the same way the poultry dressing also, first the particular bird is being stunned and it is being made to bleed. Okay, so we are going to make the unconscious animal, the bird unconscious, and we are going to kill it. Second step, we have to go in for scalding. So scalding is nothing but we have to remove the feathers, that is the de-skin or like outer layer. Feathers will be present, but still some few will be having a skin outer layer, outer to the feathers. So that scalding technique involves only for poultry. Then after which only we have to go in for completely removing the feathers from the skin that is attached to the animal, the bird. And during the process of defeathering, actually how they defeather is the same way they will dip the animal in the hot water so that it will loosen up for easy defeathering of the particular poultry bird. And then the same way evisceration also, we have to remove all the internal organs of the particular birds. And then we have to go in for finally washing and inspection. We have to ensure it is being like properly dressed, so that we have to meet out the different parts we have to segregate, and we have to meet out the end product of the particular bird. And the last, as the same way like carcass, we have to go in for storing it in proper chilling technique in order to ensure that it is not getting deteriorated. Okay, so this is about poultry dressing. So getting into the concept of carcass dressing and poultry, the main thing, whatever process takes place, the role of antimicrobial treatments have a great look on both the carcass and for the poultry. So during the process of either grading or during the process of dressing, the role of these antimicrobial agents plays a major role. So how we are going to categorize the antimicrobial treatments? So we are categorizing into physical, chemical and the biological treatment. So how we are going to do the physical treatment is, we are going to expose the particular carcass or the bird by using hot water or steam pasteurization technique or UV light technique. So hot water, from the name we can understand that hot water is being either like sprayed on the animal, or we can dip the bird into the hot water. So in that way we can kill the surface microbes that are present on the particular animal. Okay, and the steam pasteurization is nothing but by using a closed chamber, we are going to, in a closed chamber condition, we are going to create a steam inside the chamber, and then we are going to pasteurize a particular muscle of the animal or the bird, because only then the microbes that are present on the outer tissue of the animal gets killed. Okay, then UVC, from the name we can indicate that ultraviolet rays have been passed on the animal skin at the range of 254 nanometers, so that the same way the surface microbes like Salmonella, Campylobacter and Listeria, all these types of microbial flora gets killed or inhibited. And the second, chemical treatments. Chemical treatments we can go in for like using organic acids like lactic acid, acetic acid or peracetic acid and all. And even chlorine based treatments are also being used, or else like trisodium phosphate. So by using these type of chemical treatments, what happens is, like legally we can go in for organic acid. It has not much end quality use. It does not affect the end quality use. But by the usage of chlorine or by the usage of other chemicals like TSP, what happens is that the end product, when we combine it with the US meat standard in meat inspection or the European meat inspection standards, those people, other countries, they actually resist to buy when the particular carcass is being chemically treated, because the deposits of chlorine is being actually banned in most of the countries. So maximum adopting this organic acids technique is much preferable. And the third last technique is the biological treatment. So biological treatment, from the name you can understand, we are going to use bacteriophage or the probiotic exclusion method, where bacteriophages is nothing but we are going to prepare a phage solution that contains a virus in which it will kills the unwanted or the whichever virus that is opposite to it. So that good virus will go and destroy the unwanted virus or the bacteria that is present on the outer skin or even into the deep tissue also. And the probiotic exclusion is nothing but we are going to, like from the name probiotic, we all know that lactobacillus is one of the probiotic, microbial flora. So that with the use of lactobacillus, we are going to create an exclusion from where that is being sprayed on the particular carcass or the poultry birds, carcass, and from which the existing surface contamination will be